This is just a quick walk around of the Peterson Industries XL 17-foot trailer, 1970. You see we have a step stool to get in. Here's the door. We have really nice old-fashioned louvered windows, which are easy to clean. And in the front, we've got 2 propane tanks and 2 solar cells, 2 solar panels. And on the side here, we have an air conditioner that works very well. And there's a storage, outside storage. There's your water hose, and there's your electrical hookup. There's your bathroom vent window. And in the back, I forgot, there's another outside storage. That's the 1970 Peterson Industries XL 17-foot trailer in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Now this thing right here looks a little funny, but what it is, it's the drain for your kitchen sink and your bathroom sink connecting to the sewer line. So let me show you how this works. Let's take it, screw it in. Just take it and screw it in with the bayonet, just like you would your sewer line. That's the kitchen hose right there. You just hook up your sewer line to it. So, and if the drain is high off the ground, like you might see, this one right here right now is about 10 inches up. It's okay. Let it go down and then come back up again. It will drain. It drains just fine. Another thing about this vintage trailer is that the wheels come off differently. On the passenger or right side, the wheel comes off clockwise. So you're going to go in this direction to take the wheel off. That's clockwise. On the other side of the trailer, driver's or left side, you're going to turn the lug wrench counterclockwise. This trailer has a Dometic refrigerator, and you need to light the pilot light. And you do that, and you hold this red button down, and while you click on this one, you can see the pilot light through this little window right here. This trailer has a propane furnace that works really well. You open up this panel and you have your controls right here. This is where you have your pilot and your on and off. And this is your temperature control. And to start it, you put it on 1. Let it sit for a few minutes. Okay, so after we let it sit on 1, then we turn this knob to pilot. And this little piece right here is your indicator for the pilot. You can see that. It says pilot right there. And you push that in to light it. All right, so I press this in on pilot, and I put the lighter in the hole. Yeah. And this will light the. And that's it. Did I get it? Shake in there. Yeah. Let's see, go through that little hole. Oops. Here's your pilot light right there. Let's see, it's about an inch back from the hole. All right. So once again, you put the temperature control on 1, let it sit for a few minutes, turn the on, off, and pilot knob to pilot and push it in, and then put the lighter in to light the pilot light. And one of the coolest things about this vintage 1970 trailer is this gas lamp right here. I'm going to light it up here for you. See that? Isn't that something? That is really cool.